Buddy, hope you're well. I'm Chris Lawhead, owner of SprayNet South Denver, Douglas County, serving Littleton, Centennial, Castle Rock, Highlands Ranch, Parker, South Denver, and keep on going south. That's our territory. Um, so what we are really fancy painters. Our company holds multiple patents, and we put permanent. When I say permanent, we put a big boy warranty on everything we touch. We put a 15-year no-peel warranty on everything we touch. But we're the permanent painters, right? And if there is peeling in the first year, 5, 10, 15 years, we're coming back to fix it. So we're in my personal house. You can see I've done some Hale Navy, and this is the 1970s particle board. And our whole shtick is factory finish with a big boy warranty. So we do cabinets. We also do stuff that other painters generally don't want to touch, right? So we'll paint vinyl windows, for example, aluminum windows, vinyl siding. We can paint vinyl siding without melting it. We stain brick, we do gutters and doors. We even have a roofing coating. So again, we are the permanent solution. And what I think is, frankly, the most cost-effective way to modernize a property. And I say that with confidence because I've been doing, property renovations for 20 years. Yeah, we're the most cost-effective way to renovate a property, and we do it through our proprietary paints and coatings and patented processes. I forget what we're up to in terms of patent count, but we got a lot of patents. So that's what SprayNet is. So who are we ideal for? People where quality is number one, longevity is number one. Real estate investors love us because, if you've got a rental and you paint with our paints, right, it's going to stick. It's going to stick for a long, long time. And if it doesn't stick, we're coming to fix it. As opposed to, say, painting cabinets with more traditional coatings, where you might have to repaint those every year, 3 years, 5 years. And as somebody that's done that, I'm not putting any other paints on my cabinets and my rentals other than this because I only do it once and I'm done. So we're great for investors. We're great for homeowners that want, a factory finish. They don't want to see runs. They don't want to see, any peeling in a year, stuff like that. And we live in the world between traditional painters and replacement. So we're a hint more expensive than traditional painters. We should be at least 10% more than a traditional painter. But that's only in the short term. In the long term, we're far more cost effective because we're coming once, right? And if we come again, it means we've made a mistake and we'll stand behind our work. But we're coming once. It's a permanent solution, and it's not going to peel. And then obviously we live, essentially between traditional painters and full replacement. As you know, to fully replace cabinets in a house is a significant cost, right? So we do, we paint for custom cabinet makers. We paint old cabinets, we refurbish them. And then we, of course, do the exterior stuff, which is doors and windows and staining brick and painting stuff like vinyl siding that other folks don't want to paint because they're scared it will melt, which there's plenty of history of that of that melting when you do paint a vinyl siding, for example. So that's what we are, SprayNet. We are a franchise out of Canada. All our coatings, all our paints are custom made in Canada. You can't buy the stuff at Sherwin or at Home Depot or Lowe's or anywhere. I mean, only buy it through us, and we're the only ones who can apply it because not only are the coatings proprietary, but even some of the steps to apply it, right, our processes. So yeah, we're a franchise out of Canada. You can't buy one of these franchises in Canada. They're sold out. I'm on the leading edge here as one of the franchise owners in the United States. And I think it's only a matter of time before everybody in the US knows this product or this suite of products because of the quality, of the longevity, of the cost effectiveness, certainly over the long haul. So there's my 5-minute elevator pitch, right? As if the elevator got stuck and you're stuck with me for 5 minutes. There it is. Just a quick look. These are the old 70s particle board in my house, and now that's what they look like. So that's what we do. If you have any questions, give me a shout. Hope you're all well. Bye-bye.